Here we go. Let the reaping ceremony begin. District 1. Boy goes to Livia Cardew. Girl goes to Palmyra Monte. District 2, boy. How apt. Boy goes to Janice Plinth.
You got the pick of the litter. You forget. I'm part of that litter.
4, boy, Persephone Price. Girl, Festus Creed. 7, boy, Ipsania Sickle. Girl, Pup Harrington. 8, boy, Juno Phipps. Girl, Hilarious Heavensby. 10, boy, Demetia Wimswick. Girl, Arachne Crane. 11, boy, Lemenzia Dovecote. 11, girl, Felix Ravenstill. 12, boy, Liz Estrada Vickers. Oh, you'll be happy about this, Miss Crane. The Runt Girl, District 12. She belongs to Coriolanus Snow.